السابق القطري ناصر صالح العطية.
So after months of testing and thousands of kilometers, we're actually here in Jeddah ready to go. We've got all of the prologue completed, the preparations. We're actually ready to start stage one. So we're ready to go.
We are losing time, and so, as was a lot of dust from the bike, and there is no road, and we need to open some time, But okay, I am quite happy, to finish. Tomorrow it will be another day.
At the end of the day, Nasser had one puncture and was pretty happy with his performance. Giniel had 3 punctures, which obviously caused him a lot of stress later on, and the problem was he managed to get past a load of cars, had a puncture, and then they came back past him again. Henk finishing, I think, just below 1 minute 50 behind Nasser. They got lost for a lot of time, had 3 punctures also, so perhaps they've got to learn the pace a little bit. And Shameer did a fantastic job from yesterday's prologue where he was over-conservative. Today, finishing 11th, perfect start position for tomorrow. So it's looking pretty good after a lot of tension during the day.